What's up, Wichita? Welcome to another drive-through edition of reviewing some street tacos. Go! So yeah, you just want to tell me how you are helping out some local people here?
Yes, so what happened is that, through these whole hard times that we've been getting for this coronavirus going around, we're gonna cross a lot of people who really need a lot of help. You can tell right away by the way they're struggling, trying to get a little more food for what they can afford, basically. And what really broke my heart the other day was that our family, it was a gentleman with 4 kids, and what happened was that he came and asked for the price of the tacos, and we explained him how it worked and everything. So he ordered 2 tacos, and that's probably all he can afford, and he paid with a $5 bill. And when we realized, we handed him his food, and everybody was sharing out of the whole box with the 2 tacos, which it really broke my heart, my family heart, and my wife, my son, and everybody that I was working that night. We all realized that those people needed the help. We've been trying to help as much as we can to anybody that we can realize that they need the help and everything. But we end up handing it a full box full of food and everything. We even asked them if they come back if they needed to.
Awesome. Appreciate it. Well, let's order some food, man.
Thank you much. Thank you.
All right.
All right, got to open up the hot sauce. Ooh, excited. My first taco is the pastor, and I'm going to add a little bit of hot sauce. Lots of onions, lots of cilantro. I'm excited. That's so good.
All right, here we go. Darren's already munching over there in his car, so I'm gonna give it a go. I'm gonna start with the asada here, right here. Gonna add some hot sauce. Try not to spill this in my car. Here we go. That's really good. Usually asada meat is typically in places that we've gone, it's a little on the dry side, but this has got some pretty good meat. It's a little juicy. It's got cilantro and onions on there, and the hot sauce is good. It's not too mild and it's not too hot, but it's got some kick to it, so it's good.
So this is the asada. Again, lots of cilantro and onion. So good.
Next, I'm gonna try the al pastor. Just gonna dip it in the sauce here. That's good. The pastor's got a really good flavor, and that hot sauce is awesome. Just adds something just extra to every little bite there. That's good. My favorite thing about coming and eating at these places is this.
Can't forget about the pepper.
These look like Serrano peppers today. One of the last videos, I ate one of these and thought it was a jalapeno, and it was hot. It snuck up on me and it whooped me. All right, Serrano peppers. Here we go, from the car. No heat yet. You got some heat yet?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I got a little bit here. They always creep up on me. Now I'm an idiot and I didn't buy any water or anything.
I know, I was thinking about that.
I did not buy any liquid. That's good. You gonna eat the whole thing?
Did you eat the whole thing?
I ate half of it in one bite.
Well,
I'm gonna dip it into the mild sauce.
I'm gonna save the rest for my burrito.
That was good.
Are you gonna drink that?
Mild sauce is good too. So all in all, this is a great little taco stand here. What'd you think, Darren?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. And as you saw before, I mean, he's just doing some really good things for some people in this time of need. So if you can, especially if you're an essential business and you're out, come by here at Seneca and Pawnee, stop by Leah's Taqueria and Catering. They got some great street tacos. They also got burritos, tostadas, tortas, quesadillas, and get the hot and mild sauce and try them both because they're both delicious.
Yeah, just real quick, it's parked on the north end of the Westway Plaza.
Seneca and Pawnee. All right, well that about wraps up this episode. So coming from the car. I'm choking on that pepper now.
I am too.
Woo, let's go get some liquid. All right, as always, I'm Troy.
I'm Darren.
And we're reminding you to live local. See you next time.
See you.